So, andito tayo ngayon sa Trevea in New Valley to check a new foreclosed vacant lot. So, this is the vacant lot. Corner. Ang total frontage is 34.5 meters ang frontage niya. Both sides na po yon. On this side, ito yung River Street. Ito. Nasa 20 meters po ang frontage niya dito. 20 meters ang frontage. Yan. So hanggang dito po siya. Dito sa itong kulay green na to, ito yung sa Meralco po yan. So hanggang dito po yung frontage niya. On this side, 20 meters, and then may pathway po siya going to the clubhouse. Okay. And then on the other side, tingnan natin. Itong harap niya dito, pwede nyo itong gawing frontage. Katulad nung katabing bahay na to, ay katapat niyang bahay. Oh. Ayun, may Meralco din to. So, and then on this side naman, itong road lot na to, nasa 14.5 meters po ang frontage niya. Ayan. So, mas maganda dito po yung ano nyo, harapan ninyo. Ayan. Kasi ito yung pinaka main road. Ayan. So, this is around 11.9 million. Okay? Or around 41,000 per square meter. That's the regular price po. But we can request for discount subject to management approval. So pwede natin siya makuha around 11.3 million or 39,000 per square meter. And our mode of payment is cash, or at least 30% spot down payment, and then 70% balance in-house financing. So below market value na po yan, considering this property is a premium lot. Corner po kasi siya, and malapit lang po siya sa clubhouse. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a viewing appointment, please message us directly. So meron tayong soccer field. Ayan. Then parks and playground dito. Then katabi ng soccer field yung basketball court. Ayun. So ito yung pinaka clubhouse niya. Mga ATM dito. Table tennis, then may billiards, then may gym din po siya. Koi pond din po dito. Ayan ang swimming pool niya, adult and kiddie pool.